Have you ever come across when the vacuum cleaner, it sucks through the pipe, through this part, but it doesn't suck through this part? Want to know what to do? Here, I'll show you what you can do. Take that screw out. Now the next thing you do is you got to take out this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, this screw, and this screw. Now that I have all the screws out, pop this piece off, like so. Now take this piece out, like so. And now we got to clean in this piece. As you see, it's clogged very bad. And you dig out what you can dig out. I dig out what I can. And then is to take your flathead screwdriver, put it in here as far as it'll go, and just pump, and it'll press it out. The next thing I do after I dig out what I can, I find some kind of long metal rod, some form or fashion, or maybe even a long stick that can fit inside the pipe. Either one will do. And you just poke it until you get it to come loose. And that was what was jamming up my vacuum cleaner. This piece right here, you have to make sure this part goes with the belt, round end goes in the round, and this groove fits in the groove. This will pop right back on into place. And you put your screws back in. This part fits right in here. Put it right where it needs. Tighten down the screw. Sometimes it is just where you vacuumed up something too big that clogs it. Sometimes it's vacuumed up something wet. In my case, I vacuumed up something too big. Well, of course, last but not least, you clean up the mess.